This is a restroom. My goodness. Let's take a look at this. Wow. So pretty.
Brand new, yeah, it's brand new.
Wow.
So new.
Oh. It's right up there. So beautiful out here. Oh my goodness. This is the entrance to this boutique hotel that I'm staying at in Ninh. It's new and so beautiful. And they have a pool. It's right next to this big mountain or boulder. Look at the pool. It's huge. Absolutely crazy. And there's a waterfall right here. Yeah, there's a waterfall here. Lots of bugs though, because we're in nature. I don't know if you can see the waterfall. And the mountain is just so big. I feel like I'm gonna get mosquito bites though. Such a cute seating area.
There's only $2 for that.
This huge. Look at this. Some beautiful lanterns. Where the boats are. We're gonna be on the boats. Look at that.
Black exercise band.
Gonna be on one of these. Some street food. Walking on the streets. Exploring the streets right now of Ninh, and we're gonna go find dinner. Wow. Look at that. Big coconut. Beautiful egg rolls. Wow, look at that.
Cái này kiểu Hồng Kông mà.
Double waffle.
Hồng Kông, Thái Lan giờ đúng.
Hi. Aw, you're so cute. Hi. Hi, baby. Aw. Hi. Beautiful bubble waffle. Can you go in? Next morning. This beautiful cafe. Indoor. It's like a bakery over here. some pastries. And over here they have drinks. Lots of different cafes. They're always making art with these branches. Wow. We're gonna go to the boat tour. Up here? Oh. This is we're gonna go on the boat tour. It's just so breathtaking. Going on the boat ride. We're gonna do a 3-hour tour going around Ninh. Getting on the boat. Going on the boat tour. On the boat tour. It's absolutely beautiful. Leaving the area. Smile! Currently on the boat, the water is very calm. As you can see, it's so beautiful. It's like in the morning time right now. Go, Dad, go! Yeah, you got it! Ah, so beautiful. Oh, okay. Okay.
Can I get out?
Explore the temple. Take off my shoes.
This way, can you take me?
Time to go into the first cave.
Experience.
We're in the cave. Oh my gosh. Mako mermaid. Wow, what is this? Oh. Whatever that was. This is like a real life Disneyland ride.
Wow, this is much nicer.
It was like Pirates of the Caribbean.
This is the real.
This is a real cave.
It's not like a tunnel.
Chỗ này cao, thật là cao.
Look at that.
Làm như chân cao.
Hi guys, I'm in the cave. It's kind of crazy in here. It's so close to our heads, but it's really cool. Not a good day for claustrophobia. Not a good day. But at least I get to explore the cave. Water is coming. It's dripping. Look at how deep it is. Whoa.
Nhiều cái ổ ong kìa.
It's like a
Beehive.
Beehive.
The water creates like
Huh. It's so cool. Look at that.
yeah. Look like the lotus and the
Oh my
mushroom.
gosh. Beautiful.
Wow, beautiful.
Wow.
Wow, đẹp quá.
This is a lotus.
Don't rock and build up. They bigger. They go very big.
Bigger cave this
And
time.
they have to cut it and shape. Hoa thủy vàng vậy khoảng dẫn về hoàn toàn
Hơn 100 con.
chỉ còn hơn trăm.
Vậy đôi khi mình cũng thấy
Made it out of the cave. So beautiful out here in nature. So I'm off the boat. We have like multiple stops. So the first stop was the temple, and now we're at the park. So cool. Immersed in nature right now. So this little park that we're at, it's a lot of trees and like bamboo houses.
I did. Oh, we're gonna have to walk and hike tomorrow. Good luck.
That's on your own.
Yeah.
On the bridge now.
Not a tour.
Okay.
Oh, sorry.
Đâu có núi, không có núi. Ở miền Nam thì không có núi. Đi xe 3-6 tiếng mà thấy núi.
So beautiful. Yeah.
Ở gần đây, có gần
Working.
4 cây. Đi tới.
Oh, splash me.
It's similar to this, but very beautiful.
Going into another cave. Entering the cave.
So much cooler in here.
I know, it's so cold. Okay, we explored 3 different caves, and those were cool. You can see all the little limestones and the rocks, the rock formation. Very claustrophobic, but also trypophobia because there were like holes in the caves, but it's fine. It was really pretty. It was a good experience. So now we're at another temple and just gonna explore the place.
So beautiful. Một chuyến đi là cũng 17-18 tiếng à, ngồi máy bay.
On your phone.
You guys want to take anything in here?
Yeah, I want to take some pictures. So we're done with the boat ride, and this is our stop with all these beautiful, beautiful lanterns. Got some banh mi, mango smoothie, and egg rolls. Wow. Run up this hill
I messaged
in the
him.
mountain. It's all the way up on this hill. Very cool greenery view over here. Hiked all the way up from the cave, and this goes on all the way to there. Finally. Oh. This lake of smoothies.
Cái này còn coi.
How yeah, the lighting is good. Good morning. It is 6 a.m. in the morning, and we're going to go hike up the mountain. We're gonna wait for the sunrise, and it's getting brighter right now. Okay, we did our first flight of stairs, and we're gonna go all the way up there. Okay, This is, I feel like I'm in Temple Run. I feel like I'm in Temple Run. You just gotta like do the ultimate Stairmaster. I love doing Stairmaster at the gym. So this feels like a really good burn. We have time to film. The ultimate Stairmaster. Look at that. Look at how beautiful the view is.
This is it. What is this view? No, no, here is okay. Here is okay, safe. No, it's okay.
Ooh.
A lot of stuff.
1 out of 2 done. So we were up on this mountain and then now we're going to this one.
Then we have to.
We are at the top. Look around me. The view is crazy on top of the mountains. Look at this.
Here.
There's some like field, a rice field. Finally heading down. Okay, we're officially done with the hike. That was an okay intensity. It was like a difficulty 5 out of 10, solid 5 out of 10. The view that you saw was the lotus pond, not the rice field, sorry. Ponds. And we're now going to the cave. We're gonna walk to the cave, which is right over here. It's super dark, but at least it's spacious and not too tight with the rocks. This is really cool. I mean, at least my head isn't touching the rock right now. It does get tighter just a little bit, and I can touch it right here. So cool. Very dark though. At least we can see like the exit and entrance. So I'm not gonna get stuck in here. Okay, this is tighter. But it's really, oh my gosh, I have to duck my head. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh, really? I wanna see. Oh, the door. Okay.
And it
Time to
smells.
head out. I know, it's very warm in here. Ah.
No, over here, nice.
Look at all these bird houses right next to the lotus pond. We're gonna go ahead and get closer. Whoa. Look at this. So many. Look at how long they grow. You see this one? Or something. Okay. Yeah, they have a lot of like koi fish ponds and bonsai trees. I love bonsai trees. There's like huge trees but miniature. And look at these horses.